Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. I'm a beauty, fashion, and lifestyle blogger, and today I want to share with you a very special unboxing of my very first Makeup Revolution box. I want to go over like the contents in here, kind of get ready. Makeup Revolution is a fast beauty brand. It's ageless, unisex, it's affordable, and it is cruelty free. I did already prime my face with my products. I'm breaking out a lot. I have like some breakouts here, and I'm breaking out like all over the place. I am doing an elimination diet, and I'm including foods back into my diet that I think are like setting up my skin. So I won't be trying out any of the skincare products they send me. You guys, they send me the Revolution Skincare X Jake Jamie Watermelon Hydrating Mask, and this retails for $11. Also send me the Pink Clay Detoxifying Mask, and this one retails also for $11. Niacinamide Clarifying Essence Spray, and this one retails for $7. This would be your toner, you guys. $7 is unbelievable. And this has, apart from niacinamide, it also has chamomile to calm and soothe the skin. And I also received a multi-acid peeling solution. Sounds so good. I'm trying to move quick because I don't want this long video to be like 20 hours long. And then the rest is makeup that I'm going to find a way to incorporate to today's face. So they did send me 2 primers. So the first one is a Fix and Glow Ultra Glow Primer. It sells for $12, and it is the first step in your makeup routine while turning up the glow all over the complexion. So it helps your makeup last longer. And yeah, I'm gonna apply this one first all over the face because I do have combination skin, but I love a glow. I love a good glow. Okay, and it has like a little bit of shimmer. You can actually see it in the product. Oh wow. Well, that's really nice, you guys. My skin looks very glowy and dewy, but not shiny, which I saw a little, you can see a lot of the shimmer kind of in there, but not on the skin. The skin just looks really dewy. Also got a pore perfecting primer, which I'm going to use on my T-zone areas where I tend to get more oily and my makeup starts to break up first. So this will create the appearance of a smooth skin canvas while increasing your makeup longevity. So it does come with a spatula. Let me show you guys on that. But a really cute packaging, and it does come with a spatula. Whenever you're working with any skincare product that comes packaged like this, you want to avoid putting your fingers in it as much as possible because it will just help your product last longer. It also controls like using too much. But more importantly is you keep your product clean and contamination free. So I'm going to take this amount, the T-zone, where I have more visible pores and I also tend to get really oily. It has no scent. It doesn't smell like anything. Also, this one didn't, the Fix and Glow also didn't have any. I don't mind a little scent, but if it's between something that smells too strong or no scent, I'd rather go with the latter. So now that my skin is primed, I am going to quickly offline do my foundation and my concealer, and then I'll be back to set. I use the Huda Beauty foundation stick. And for concealer, I mix Revlon Color Stay concealer in the shade 40 with the Il Makiage 08. So you guys, they sent me their luxury baking powder. Retails for $8, and it comes 9 shades available. I have the banana, which is really great for brightening under the eyes, especially for medium skin tones. So I am going to medium dark. I would not recommend this on fair skin. Baking because I'm going to be doing my eyes. This is actually the Tati Beauty sponge, and look up, always making sure I don't have any creases, and then set. Now I am pressing down. Now I'm also gonna set around my mouth here and also over here just to add more brightness. Okay, so they also sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes. I'm gonna start with this one because it's calling me. So the packaging is absolutely stunning, you guys. Look at that. Look at those colors, they're so beautiful. And let's look at how much this retails for. The Revolution Forever Flawless eyeshadow palette chilled with cannabis sativa retails for $15, you guys. $15, that's so crazy. Oh my god, it's so beautiful and so well made. I haven't touched the eyeshadows, I haven't really even looked at them, but this, like, just the packaging itself, it's so it feels so nice. It has a nice big mirror here. 18 colors, you guys, and look at these tones. They are absolutely stunning. These are very earth tone shades. Shimmer, you have some glitter with this palette. And then let me show you the other palette, which is called the Forever Flawless Affinity palette. And this is also so beautiful. Look at the packet. Look. It looks like a marble. The Makeup Revolution Flawless Baby Affinity Eyeshadow Palette retails for $15 as well. And this also features 18 matte, glittery, and shimmer shades. And they are all pink tones. So very pretty as well. Now I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do because I'm focusing more on the actual mascara today. I'm going to just do a light wash. I'm just gonna do something really simple on the eyes so that we can see the impact that the mascara actually has. So I'm gonna take this palette here, this flat MAC 238 brush, and go into this shade here, Moments. And I am going to just highlight underneath the brow here. Oh wow, look at the pigment that is packing. Because it's matte, I'm actually going to bring it all the way. So I lift the whole eye first, and you always want to drag it down to blend. And then I'm going to go into this shade here, Affinity, which is this one right here. And that one has some shimmer in it. So I'm going to use that same brush and apply it just at the end of the brow. Ooh, ooh, that's pigmented. That's very pigmented, you guys. So I'm just going to drag it down. Also gonna tap it with my finger. It's daytime, I'm not trying to go do something too crazy. Now I'm going to go into this shade. I'm gonna grab a bigger brush. I'm actually gonna grab this one. This is by Smashbox and it's their number 10 brush, and go into this shade here, Memories, which is a matte rosy shade. And I'm gonna apply this all over the like crease and even the lid area. Windshield wiper motion here. The same on the other side. It has very minimum fallout. I don't know if you can tell, but there's very little fallout on the palette. And so far I see no fallouts on my skin. Oh my god. So with my finger, you guys, I'm gonna go into this shade. It's called Aspire, and it's so freaking stunning. I'm just gonna use my ring finger and tap it all over the lid. Oh my god, that is so pretty! Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Look at that eyeshadow. How stunning it is. So you guys, they also sent me their Hyaluronic Fix. It's a hydrating and plumping setting spray, retails for $9. And it is a plumping and hydrating makeup setting spray. It contains sodium hyaluronic, which has the ability to penetrate skin and hold onto water, resulting in hydrated and plump skin. So you guys, if I look a little disheveled, it's because it has been 6 hours since I was setting my under eye. Yeah, so as we get to know each other, if you're new here, I am a mother of 4, which it's a big what's the word that I'm looking for? It's a big challenge whenever you have any children, but when you have 4 of them, every day is a different challenge. But nonetheless, here we are. I think we left it off sharing the primer, the setting spray, you guys. So since it's new, I always like to, you know, get it primed by spraying away from my face. And I'm just gonna spray my face, not much to settle. I was like on my way and threw some pants on because I wasn't wearing any. And but anyways, you guys, so ooh, that feels really refreshing. So did I give you guys information about this? I did. So we prime. I'm looking at what I have left from the 2 palettes. I use this. I will definitely be creating a look. Actually, I have a date tomorrow with my husband, so I'm gonna be using this because I love the colors there. My plan was to wear this mascara for a couple of hours, but again, I started early and now it's 8:40. This is a Lift and Define 5D lash. You guys, it retails for $12, and let me tell you about it. What should we be expecting? Guys, I'm actually going to change the lens to my macro just so we can get all the details, see the mascara doing its thing. So take your lashes to the next dimension with the Revolution 5D Extreme Extension Mascara. So it's dubbed as our best mascara yet. This game-changing mascara helps achieve instant length, lift, definition, stretch, and volume in as little as just 1 swipe. The Revolution 5D Extreme Extension Mascara offers a premium jet black formulation, which is Italian-made and has taken over 2 years to develop, ensuring that it rivals mascara that costs 3 times the price. The side-to-side comparison here from the eye with the mascara and the other. And first impression, you guys, apart from the one being super like a perfect shape for lifting right underneath and really close to your eyes, it also doesn't collect. It collects very little product. There's very little bit of product around the wand, which I personally prefer. It allows you to work, you know, work the product into your mascara without that build up and, you know, that clumpiness that some mascara leaves. So first impression. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna do a second coat just to see how much more build do we get. You guys, I really hope that the camera is capturing how unbelievably long my lashes look. Like, you can actually see it right there as I blink. You might actually feel the wind hitting you guys. My lashes look amazing. This mascara is the shit. I mean, I don't know about longevity, but what it's doing right now, it's like looking like a must have, must try. I'm gonna apply some on my bottom lashes. I love it. I really love it. The only thing that I'm not sure, obviously, is how is it going to wear? How much can we do? This is not a waterproof formula, but how much can we get away with doing activity-wise, sweat-wise, humidity-wise while wearing this mascara? And also, there's also another very important feature in my mascaras that, at least for me, is how well does it remove. Because yes, I do want a mascara that lasts, but I also want my mascara to come off at the end of the night. When I double wash my face, I expect every makeup that I have on to come off. And really, I'll be honest with you, as much as I love a mascara, if it gives me a hard time to come off, and I'm like, the second day, the third day, I'm still removing mascara from my eyes, that same mascara, it's very, very rarely that I would wear it and pick it up, because I don't I don't have time for that. I already have the under eye circles. I don't need my mascara making it worse for me. So those are all important features in a mascara that I want to make sure that this one meets before I'm like, yay, go purchase it. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush, a little bit of bronzer. Okay, and what else? I just put a little bit of gloss because, yeah. So you guys, let me take this off. My hair's not done, and at this point, I'm not even gonna, I had these like braids in my hair because I was expecting to like take out my braids and have like pretty waves. So you guys, we reached the end of this introduction to Makeup Revolution and introducing myself as an ambassador. I'm super excited, you guys, and I don't take this opportunity for granted. I love sharing products and beauty and skincare and fashion and anything that I love with you guys. I'm very excited to continue to explore the brand and find my favorites and all of that and share it with you. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment this video, and turn on the notifications so you do not miss any uploads. It's about to be 10 p.m. It took me over how many hours? I don't even know anymore how many hours, but I'm happy that I finished it. I will be sharing my thoughts, my final thoughts on Instagram and a little video clip and this and that. So make sure that you guys go ahead and follow me there. Also, let me know what type of videos you'd like to see more of. I have so much fashion coming up too. I did a whole bunch of purchases to update my spring wardrobe, so I'm super excited to share that with you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.